Ever feel like self-doubt is holding you back? Like no matter what you do, fear, hesitation, and uncertainty keep you stuck. What if I told you that you can face your fears, take control of your life, and build unstoppable confidence starting today? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 proven methods to stop self-doubt, backed by science and real-world results. Imagine a storm is coming. Most animals run, panic, and actually suffer longer in the storm because they're running with it. But the bison? It does something completely different. It turns and walks straight into the storm. By facing the storm head-on, it gets through it much faster. Self-doubt works the same way. Avoiding it only makes it louder and last longer. But facing it with a clear plan makes the experience shorter and far easier to overcome. So where does self-doubt even come from? It's often rooted in fear of failure, rejection, or what other people might think. This is a natural human response, but if we ignore it, that fear can grow and take over. It's fascinating how different people experience this. Studies show women often feel trapped by self-doubt and are more likely to seek help to regain confidence. Men, on the other hand, may avoid admitting they have any doubt at all, trying to tough it out. But here's a key insight. Labeling your emotions really matters. Instead of telling yourself, "I'm weak," or "I'm a failure," try reframing it. Say, "I'm learning through a challenge," or "I'm committed to figuring this out." The words you use literally change the pathways in your brain. So, are you ready to face the storm? Here are the 4 proven methods, let's call them the 4 A's, to stop self-doubt once and for all. Step 1 is acceptance. This means you have to acknowledge your thoughts and feelings without judging them. Don't fight your fear or try to push it away. Instead, just see it, name it, and let it exist for a moment. Mindfulness exercises are perfect for this. When you feel that wave of anxiety rising, say to yourself, "I notice I am feeling anxious," instead of, "I am anxious." See the difference? You are not your anxiety. You are simply noticing it. This small shift creates distance, reduces the fear's power, and clears up valuable mental space so you can think clearly. Step 2 is agency. This is all about taking back control of what you can actually influence. I want you to make what I call an I could, I will list. First, write down all the possible actions you could take to move forward, no matter how small. Then, look at that list and choose 1 or 2 things you will do. The final, crucial step is to take action immediately. No overthinking, no second-guessing. When you focus on what you can control instead of getting lost in what you can't, fear starts to lose its grip. You're no longer a passive victim of your circumstances. You're an active participant in your own life. Step 3 is autonomy. This is where you reclaim ownership of your life by rewriting your personal story. We all have stories we tell ourselves about our past. But instead of seeing past failures as disasters, you can choose to see them as powerful lessons. Think back to the bison. Walking straight into that discomfort is what builds its resilience. Avoiding challenges only prolongs fear and keeps you stuck. But facing them head-on even when it's hard is what builds real, unshakable confidence. You get to decide what your experiences mean. Are they evidence of your weakness, or are they proof of your strength for having endured and learned? The choice is yours. Step 4 is adaptability. This is about learning to manage your emotions in the moment and respond effectively instead of reacting out of fear. A powerful technique for this is the 3-second spiral stop. The next time you feel that spiral of self-doubt starting, first, just pause and take a deep breath. Second, recognize that your brain is likely exaggerating the risk. Our brains are wired to see danger everywhere. But most of the time, the perceived threat is much bigger than the reality. And third, take 1 small, intentional action. Just 1 step. Over time, you can expand on this, taking slightly bigger steps. This simple process trains your brain to face challenges calmly instead of spiraling into fear, helping you adapt and grow. Now, for a few extra tips to help you beat self-doubt for good. First, use gradual exposure. If something scares you, start small and then scale up. This slowly reduces fear's power over you. Next, reframe negative experiences. Every setback isn't a failure. It's a chance to learn and get better. Pay attention to your language too. Start saying I could instead of I should. Should feels like a burden, but opens up a world of possibilities. Finally, embrace what I call earned luck. You create your own luck by putting yourself in situations where opportunities are more likely to appear. It's all about being prepared when opportunity knocks. Remember, self-doubt is temporary, but the confidence you build through action is permanent. You have the tools now. Accept your emotions, reclaim your power with agency. Own your story through autonomy and adapt to challenges. Face your fears head on, just like the bison, and you'll find that life on the other side of the storm is clearer, faster, and far more rewarding. Start today, because the sooner you face the storm, the sooner it will pass. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to master self-doubt and build unstoppable confidence. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which one of the 4 As will you start practicing today? Let's face the storm together.